What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Brave Angler. Today we are going to be talking about fish attractants. All right, so this is the bait pop. Scott Martin, Jacob Wheeler, and a few other pros, they use this a lot, and this goes for about $12.99, somewhere in that ballpark. And this is what I've been using, but I am super excited. Crush It Gel has sent us out a few of their different attractants to try, and I'm super excited to do so. Now, I'm not one that really believes in fish attractants, so we're gonna get to fishing and see if fish attractants actually help you get more bites. All right, guys, so we're gonna start with the bait pop. Now, like I said, there's a bunch of pros that endorse this. And I don't know if they endorse it so much for the scent as they do, because it's supposed to be a sonar enhancer for forward-facing sonar. But we're not going to be really using forward-facing sonar today. Don't really use it for river fishing. So we're going to see if the fish attractant side of it helps get a couple more bites. Get that nice and rubbed in there. All right. So Caroline is using the Crush It Gel attractant. We'll see. Oh, whoo! Had a bite. Got a bite. Yep, there's something. And we got a bowfin.
Well, definitely got it.
Can you hand me the pliers out of there? Not what we're looking for. I was gonna say, that is a monster bite. Should be right on top there somewhere.
Oh, we should have brought that thing.
Yeah. It's in the truck, I think. No, I think I took it out. All right. Yeah, mudfish. So far, we are definitely, that was really quick. Not quite what I want to be hooking up with, but oh, he kind of messed my worm up. It's all right. I think we can get a couple more bites out of it. All right. Oh yeah. I'm actually kind of scared of the monkeys. Especially when I saw them like start jumping down from the tree like onto those kayakers. Some, like, we should have brought a bat. I'm gonna end up snapping a rod just trying to fling them off the boat with it. All right, guys, so we weren't having any luck in the river, so we moved over to Wildcat Lake. It's just off State Road 40. We have driven past this lake hundreds of times. I've never fished it. So, we're gonna fish it today. It is super nice out here. I love how wild it is. That's not a bassy spot. I don't know what is. All the way back in there. Keep pressure on him. Dang, babe.
I guess that's a black bass.
Not bad. A little 1.5, 2 pounder.
Yeah, that was with the Crush It gel bass.
Bass crack.
Yep.
So far, bass crack 1, bait pop 0. Tighten up your drag.
Calm down.
A little bigger. Solid 2, 2.5.
Down the gullet. If you want to hand me the pliers, I might be able to get it out.
It's too broad.
I think I actually made it worse. That's not a bad one though.
No. That's a pretty good one.
It's like in his tongue. Oh, you got it. Nice.
There you go, guys. Crush It bass crack. All right, guys, so you saw it yourself. Like, the Crush It gel absolutely killed it for Caroline. I was using the bait pop and no attractant at all, and I did not even get a bite, even after we went to the Ocklawaha River, Wildcat Lake, and the St. John's.
So check out Crush It gel. They're great people. Thank you, Deborah and Tad, for sending those out to us.
For all you guys following along in the 13 Fishing bait casting rod giveaway, today's code word is going to be crush it, because that's what Caroline absolutely did to me. She crushed me. So make sure you put that down in the comments, like this video, and make sure you're subscribed so you can be in on that giveaway. We're going to get out of here, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Now go catch a fish.